Brayden. Yay! Good job! Good job, Brayden. Good job, smart boy. Okay, you want another bite? Here you go. Here you go. Yay, Brayden! Good job, you're so smart. Okay, you want another bite? Yeah, there you go. Oh, you didn't even eat any that time. Now you're just playing with it. Yay, Brayden! Yay! You want me to get you another bite? See? There you go. Good job, Brayden! You're so smart. You're so smart. Yeah. Another bite? Here you go. Oh, Brayden. You dropped it. You dropped it. It's on the floor now. It's on the floor. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Hey, let's pull your hand out of there. Your hand's all filthy. Yeah.